I'm Johnny in Knoxville.
And I'm Butterbean.
Today we're going to do a little boxing.
Butterbean. He's really strong. And such a wonderful spirit and so funny all day long and polite. We're gonna have a fight in a swap meet. As soon as he put the gloves on, I said something to him, he just looked right through me like he didn't even know me. It really changed him when he put the gloves on. Oh well, we need footage. Somebody ring the bell, let's get this over with. That one was gnarly because he knocked me out on my feet. You watch the footage, he hits me, and then I fall all the way down and hit my head on the concrete floors, and it split my head like a melon. And it sounds like I'm sleeping, it sounds like I'm snoring, but my doctor told me I was trying to swallow my tongue at that point, which, you know, that's never good.